What? This is how a cat goes to the toilet?
Come on, Cap. Cut the crap. We still need to get back in form to save the world.
Holy cow. Forget it. I gotta pee so desperately. Sunday, help us clean this up.
Roger that, boss. Oh my. How long shall I shake until all the cat litters can be sifted? Sorry, boss. I think it is a waste of time. Oh no, it is so gross. Just so hard to clean.
So how come there is not a decent cat litter scoop?
This is our latest weapon, the IronScoop.
What is that all about?
This is the first and last cat litter scoop you will ever need. It's simply much better than all the other existing scoops. It is a cat litter scoop that can be used for a lifetime.
What is special in your IronScoop? Sunday, we'll get a try.
Okie dokie.
Thank you, Sunday. So as you see, the all-rounded sifting hole structure can not only hold a large amount of cat litters in one shot, but also separate cat litters and solid wastes so fast. Also, all the unused cat litters can go back to the litter box for later usage. Save us a lot of cat litters and money. We constantly strive for perfection in every detail. Ergonomic handle is designed to make holding and sifting much easier. We craft a relatively sharper edge for IronScoop so that every klotz stuck in the bottom could be removed easily. The solid wastes are easily broken to pieces. To deal the small pieces, scoop them up with the ending part of the IronScoop. We are not done yet. We put a great amount of effort in its packaging. We believe being cool is also important. So, what's in the box? Along with the IronScoop, a metal hanger is also included in our box. Stick the hanger onto the wall near the litter box, so every time after use, the IronScoop can be decently placed. Our packaging box is also a reusable container for cat treats or toys, so keep it with you.
Very impressive propaganda. But is it really better?
All right, let's have a comparison. We can deal with so much more solid wastes in a much shorter time than the other scoops. With all due respect, we are simply better.
That's impressive. How much is your IronScoop?
Save the date. We will launch the IronScoop on Kickstarter at $18.99. Early bird special price is only $16.99.
Sounds cool. Guys, what do you think of this IronScoop?
That will make my life so much easier. They deserve our support.
The price is attractive too, as long as it can be used for a lifetime.
So what's your call? What the hell are you doing? It's not for washing veggies.
Imagine a world where you can keep a clean litter box for your feline friend without stopping to scoop the litter every day. Sound too good to be true? LitterMaid self-cleaning litter boxes make this a reality. The self-cleaning technology allows you to spend less time in the litter box and more time together. Here's how it works. There is a sensor that must be blocked for at least 10 seconds while your cat uses the litter box. As your cat exits the box, the sensor becomes unblocked and initiates the cleaning cycle. Once initiated, the cleaning cycle will officially begin after 10 minutes to ensure that your cat is no longer in the litter box. If your cat re-enters the box during the 10-minute wait time, the sensor will trigger the cleaning cycle again and the 10 minutes will start over. Once cleaning has begun, the automatic rake will move forward and back to scoop waste clumps into the waste receptacle. The disposable waste receptacle will keep waste and odors contained until it is time to replace it. And that's all there is to it. The LitterMaid self-cleaning litter box helps make pet parenting easy.